Savings account versus current account. Empowering your finances. Savings account allows limited transactions. Typically offers a 4% interest. Suitable for salaried employees. No overdraft facility. Low minimum balance. Current account facilitates everyday transactions. No interest-bearing deposit account. Suitable for traders and entrepreneurs. Offers overdraft facility. High minimum balance. Can one person have both savings and current account? Yes. Having both types of accounts allows individuals to organize their finances better and take advantage of the specific features and benefits each type offers. Thank you for watching.